So I wanted to spend some time talking about Nearpod. I just found Nearpod, and it is another wonderful formative assessment tool. It's very interactive. It's something that students do more on their own and less so competitively, which is wonderful compared to what other ones I have spoken about. What I like about this is that there are lots of ways that you can engage with kids, that you can do different activities, and you're able to see their progress along the way. I think it's also really great because my goal was to focus on new ways to engage with kids and let them go on their own sort of schedule where they're at. So with this, I would be able to set up multiple different activities and they can go at their own pace to review the terms that we have been going over. So first, let me go ahead and show you just an example. So this is what my device would look like. I'd be able to see the activity that we're doing. So this is figures of speech. We match the term with the definition. I can see what pairs they're supposed to be doing. And then I can see the students, how many matches they've done, how many tries, how it's going. This is the student device, so they'll be able to see the instructions. They match the different figures of speech with their corresponding example. So let's look here. Okay, so the crazy crocodile cackled, that's definitely alliteration. So I can click this, and they're matched. Okay, what happens if I pick the wrong one? Okay, so then it tells me it's wrong, but I still get to try again. And now I can see on here that this student has done 2 tries. So this is really great. It's customizable, but they also have some already available, which is really great. The students can, draw on here. They can type. They can interact with the space in a lot of different ways, depending on what module you've chosen to design, which is really great and interactive, and we'll be able to use their different skills and we'll really be able to tell compared to just a multiple choice quiz. This really sort of pushes them to be able to know what they really know. And then of course we do also have quiz options on here, which is really great for us to be able to see in that more traditional kind of way after we've done the practice. I think this is really great for instructors. The standard that I covered for this one was 1A, which is teachers actively using technology. I think that sometimes we focus so much on one piece of technology that we miss others, and this seems like a really wonderful tool that we can use within our classrooms. Thank you.